Hello guys, I am Manoj Misra. So I am back with another function. So today I will tell you how to automate your Excel sheet by using Vlookup function and IFERROR function. Alright, we will also use data validation, but I am not going to share the process to get the data validation applied here. Alright, if you want to learn how to use data validation, you can watch my previously uploaded videos video on data validation. Alright, so let's begin. So you can see there are some highlighted cells. So these cells will populate if I enter name here or I select name available in drop down list. Alright, so let's select choose a name Manish. So you can see the other details have been populated automatically. So this is how you can automate your Excel workbook by just using simple function like Vlookup and IFERROR function. Alright, so let me show you how you can do this automation. Alright, so you need to start with first use Vlookup function, but select the cell in which your lookup value is available, then select the range, trace this, then state is available in the second column. So you need to use IFERROR function here because if this value, if this cell doesn't have any value, this will show result if as any. Alright, so you need to use IFERROR function as well. So IFERROR, bracket open, comma and double quotes. It means blank. So if this is having null value, blank value, blank, then the state will show you a blank cell as well. Alright, so just copy the formula and start pasting it in all cells where you want to populate the values. Alright, so city available in which column? Third. Alright, so just change the value to third. Alright, age is available on the sixth column, so select punch 6. Pin code is available in the fourth, change it to 4. Date of birth in 5th, select 5th. Age group is in 7th, select 7. Now just choose any name. It will show you the result. It will show you the details available in attached with the name gem. Alright, so this is how you can automate your Excel sheet. I have used drop down buttons through data validation. If you want to learn how to create a drop down list, please watch my previously created video and keep watching my channel. Thank you so much. Bye bye.